Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 7 going to present about the issues and challenges in meat and poultry post-harvest. The members of Group 7 are Muhammad Daniel, Muhammad Nur Ashraf, Muhammad Amirul Akmal, Muhammad Shahrul Hafiz and Muhammad Aslan. Introduction. Post-harvest is a process or state of handling crop production immediately after harvesting, which including cooling, cleaning, sorting and packing. Post-harvest handling is important to reduce losses of fresh produce to maintain its quality so the nutrient content can be preserved. However, there are few challenges in handling post-harvest, especially in meat or meat-based product that can cause major post-harvest losses.
Next is issue on the meat. The first point is meat is considered spoiled and unusable with only a relatively small defects. The second one is high potential for harmful microbiological activity in meats. That means that it can be the source of human health costs. And the last one is the shelf life of fresh meat depends on the microflora present on the meat, which creates an ecosystem that is affected by many factors, such as the intrinsic properties of the meat, the initial microbial contamination load, temperature, storage time, and the processing method.
Next, issue in poultry. The first issue in poultry is the poultry tend to lose freshness easily when exposed to normal temperature for too long. Second is dominance of pathogen in meat that can't be killed with heat but can be slowed down under low temperature. The third is high cost for the use of freezer to frost the poultry. And the last is poultry can have long shelf life after being processed. In this scale show that 2010 have the higher cost of Salmonella. This is because that years doesn't have the complete tools in handling poultry post-harvest.
First solution for meat is fermentation. This technique is a traditional way to utilizing fermentable carbohydrate, which can eliminate Salmonella and E. coli from raw, dry and fermented meat product. The second solution for meat product is DA7250. With fast, accurate and easy to use NIR meat analyzer, DA7250 can measure fat, moisture, protein, collagen, salt and water activities in meat within 10 seconds. With this technology, farmer can get fully control in bacteria development.
The solution of poultry issue is smoking. Meat or poultry smoking is also known as an aid in the preservation for a long time to the meat product. Smoke is produced in specially constructed smokehouse where sawdust or hardwood and sometimes both are subject to combustion at the temperature of about 300 degrees Celsius. Preservation of meat by smoke is also due to surface dehydration, lowering the surface pH and antioxidant property of smoke constituents. Next, irradiation. Irradiation is also known as cold sterilization. It is the immersion and propagation of energy in the material media. This radiation can destroy the microorganism by fragmenting the DNA molecule and causing ionization of water within microorganism. Gamma radiation produces the desired effect only during food irradiation and have no effect after removing the source. So, radiation are used only for surface sterilization of meat and poultry.
Okay, for the conclusion. In conclusion, in meat and poultry post-harvest will go through several challenges to maintain the freshness and quality of the product. Therefore, there are several ways to deal with this problem that have been introduced. All the techniques that have been described are guaranteed to maintain the quality of the post-harvest product. Furthermore, in the face of this challenge, initiatives will be implemented to increase productivity, strengthen the food supply chains, improve support and delivery service, empower farmers' knowledge and skills, and ensure compliance with good agriculture standard and practice. In achieving this objective, all stakeholders need to plan, coordinate, and implement program effectively. Thank you.